Hello my babies, welcome back to another video. In this video today, I'm going to be trying a Will Tennyson recipe, folks. We got our Will Tennyson merch on in honor of the goat. Check it out. But I'm probably gonna change it because we're gonna try to make his protein bark recipe. And I feel like if I do not change, I'm this all up. Let's change into our robe, shall we? But real quick, before that, go ahead and give this video a like for Will Tennyson. Give this video a like for Mama Swole and a like for Earl. And if you guys don't know who Earl is, hold on, wait right there. This is Earl. Wow, I'm actually winded after running together. Let's sit Earl right here in the background so he can be included. And also, if you haven't yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button to join the Swole Squad. And let's get into it, shall we? Apron time. There we go. Oh my god, is this not the most wrinkled apron you guys have ever seen? Like, look how fucking wrinkled this apron is. If anyone wants to Venmo me like 25 bucks or Cash App or PayPal so I can get a new apron, a less wrinkled and less dirty one. The link is in the description. Also, I got this bucket hat the other day and I kind of want to wear it. Should I wear it? Let's see. What do you guys think? Yeah, fuck it, I'll wear it. Let's check out the ingredients that we need. First things first, right? I don't get why people say that. It's like, of course, first things first. What else would first thing be? Last? That doesn't make any fucking sense. Let's see. Oh my god, I'm still winded. You can tell your girl don't do cardio. God damn. The ingredients that we need today are non-fat Greek yogurt. Here we go. 1 scoop of protein powder. Should I name them? You guys don't need to know what they are. Never mind. I don't feel like naming the rest of them. Let's just get into it. Okay, so it says mix all ingredients in a bowl other than the chocolate PB2. Well, I don't even have that, but I do have chocolate peanut butter. Chocolate peanut butter. You guys ever tried this? If you haven't, don't, because this shit is addicting as coconut milk. I'm not even gonna cap. I don't have coconut milk, but I have almond milk. So hopefully that works. Hopefully. You guys already know I don't have the same ingredients, right? You guys already know what it is. And then we need some sweetener. Damn, I really don't like sweetener. I don't like the way it tastes. Artificial sweetener. It's just not my thing. So I guess I'll get out some chocolate syrup. I mean, technically this is sweetener. Like, it's sweet, so. And then what else? I think that's everything. Okay, mix all ingredients in a bowl. Let's do it. God damn it, I probably need a scale, huh? A scale. Wash my hands. Safety first. Is that safety? Yeah, it's technically safety. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. I just gotta ask, ever since the pandemic, does anybody else sing happy birthday every time they wash their hands now? Sometimes I'm not even washing my hands. Sometimes I'm washing dishes and I start singing happy birthday in my head. What are we gonna do, guys? What are we gonna do about this? Is it PTSD maybe a little bit? Not really. I don't know. Anyways, 262 grams of non-fat yogurt. Well, let's see. This is 150 grams, so not quite, but hopefully it'll do. Yo, I did not even know that they made dairy-free yogurt, y'all. That's so dope, because Mama Swole is dairy-free, so it's like they just knew. They just knew to make it just for me. All right, I'm gonna try to get every last little yogurt grain because it's not enough. Oh fuck! Dude, I thought my phone just snapped in half. Oh my god, that was scary. It did come out of the case though, and it's already cracked, so like, that was not good. Crisis averted, folks. We're all good. Let's get back on track. Alright, that should be good. Probably not, but whatever. We're gonna take a scoop of protein, and Will said that you have to use his protein, but sorry. We're gonna use Transparent Labs vegan protein. You can use... Fuck, I need to calm down over here. You can use code MamaSwole for a 10% discount. Link in the description below. He said to use chocolate peanut butter, but unfortunately I only have chocolate, so hopefully that will do. And then what else? 1/4 cup of PB2. Okay, see, I don't have PB2. I have this like generic ass brand of powdered peanut butter, but like, it's just not as fun, and I'm probably just gonna use regular peanut butter instead. We need a 1/4 cup. That seems like a lot. I don't know. I'm just gonna wing it. Let's see. I feel like that, maybe not that, maybe a little bit more. Probably like that much is a 1/4 cup. I really don't know. You can never have too much peanut butter, right? That's such a lie. You definitely can't, but that's okay. Next, we need a 1/2 cup of coconut, aka almond milk. I believe this is a whole cup, but I'm just gonna fill it up halfway and hope that that does the trick. Oh my god, spilling it everywhere. Beautiful. And then we mix this shit. So let's mix it up, shall we? How's your day, by the way? Are you having a good ass day? I hope you're having a good ass day. Oh, my day, you ask? My day's been quite well, I would say. I went to is that correct grammar? My day has been quite well. It would be good, right? I don't know grammar. Wait, hold on, let me mix this and oh fuck, wait, why am I mixing this with a spoon? This is so... Let's try it with a fork. I feel like it'll be easier. You know what I need? One of those like electric mixing things. That's another thing you guys can donate. Donate so I can get some real kitchen tools and not like, I'm using a Tupperware bowl. I'm using Tupperware as a cooking bowl, guys. Come on, your girl's struggling out here. Please donate to the Mama Swole Cooking Fund. Link is in the bio, so go check it out. I'm so funny, man. I'm just so funny. I feel like it's gonna be kind of hard to mix with the peanut butter. Maybe that's why he used powder PB2, I don't know. Oh.
Oh man.
That's okay. These things can be washed, right? This is exactly why I did not wear Will's merch. Did I get on my bucket hat? Okay, I'm gonna take this off just in case, because I don't want to get anything on my bucket hat. I really love that thing. Let's try this again. Not get it all over me. It's really hard to mix. I should have used a smaller bowl. I did not need this large of a bowl. And it's not even a bowl, it's Tupperware. It doesn't need to be mixed that well, right? Like, I'm sure if there's like some clumps of peanut butter. Ew, I hate that word. Clump. Ah, such a disgusting word. You know what word it rhymes with? The real ones know. If you saw my video about my workout routine, my pre-workout routine, you already know what word I'm talking about. And if you haven't, you should probably go watch it. Your mother's disappointed in you because you're falling behind, but that's okay. You can redeem yourself. This is so hard to mix right now. Why am I crying in the club right now? I don't feel like mixing it anymore. I think it's fine. That's enough of that. I've had enough. Next up, we have to line a baking sheet with parchment paper. I do not have that. You're tripping if you think I have that. I mean, I have this non-stick spray, so hopefully that will suffice. I don't know, guys. But when do I ever know? Pour mixture onto pan and disperse evenly. Well, we're gonna try our best. I don't know, guys. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys about my day. Well, went to the gym. That's about it. Literally, when anybody asks about my day, it's like, well, I went to the gym. And that was it. That's my life. Cooking is such a task, man. How do you guys enjoy it? Actually, I do enjoy baking, I won't lie. But cooking, I don't enjoy it. Probably just because I'm so shitty at it. That should do. I'm gonna call it a day and just hopefully that'll... Oh, you can't even see it. Hold on. Check it out.
Whoa.
Then I have to mix 2 tablespoons of chocolate PB2 with some water, then drizzle evenly on top. Well, I do not, like I said, I don't have the powder, I just have the regular, so I think I'll just put it in a bowl, melt it, and then I'll drizzle it on top. That sounds like a plan. Oh my god, you guys, I forgot to put the sweetener. Let's just like put it on top like this. This is a terrible idea. Oh my god. Oh, that kind of looks cute. I should have wrote my name. Oh, I should have wrote like, fuck you. Should I even put this in there? Because I already put that on there. I'm lazy, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. So now we take this and we put it in the freezer until it hardens. Oh man, my freezer is like not spacious. Fuck. Let's just put it right there. All right, I will see you guys in I don't know how many minutes, but whenever that's done, we will return and see how it turned out. Okay, you guys, it's done. I'm really excited to try this. Let's see. It appears I have no clean forks left, so I'm just gonna try to dig it out with this spatula and not get it on my hoodie. Let's see. Oh no, it's falling apart. Oh my god. Y'all, that shit slaps. Like, really slaps. Slaps hard. That is so good. That's literally a 2,000 out of 10. 2,000 out of 10, guys. It's so good. Oh my god. Okay, first of all, I'm really proud of myself because I finally made a recipe good. Well, I've made other ones good, right? Have I? Hard to tell. Far and few between, but this shit really slaps, like I said. Oh my god, you guys have to try this. Shout out to Will for this recipe. Shout out to Mama Tenny, Ollie, Katie, everybody, the whole Tennyson family. Thank you for this awesome recipe. I think I'm gonna actually make this like on the regular. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure you give it a like, subscribe to join this whole squad. Comment below the word bark. Like a dog bark, but like protein bark. If you'd like to support me on Patreon for just $2 a month, the link is in the description. Shout out to all my patrons. I love you guys so much. If you'd like to support me on Venmo, Cash App, or PayPal, link is also in the description. I also have merch, and I also have workout programs on MamaSwole.com. I will see you guys in the next one. Have a good ass day. And the swole comment of the day is this comment right here. For a chance to be featured in the next swole comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment below.
How to get my weight up, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hey.
Weight in the cake up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn up in the gym, know I'm calling Mama Swole. Bad little shawty and you know I'm on a roll.
Press like an empress. No one to impress, bitch. Find me on the guest list. Got that Louis V necklace. Subscribe to the Mama Swole channel. Even if your name is Randall. Got it lit like a candle. Catch me swerving in the Lambo.